favorite hour has arrived. Cocktail time. It's been a tomato celebration, and what better way to celebrate than with the tomato water I made earlier turned into my favorite cocktail, a Caesar. Canada is the home of the Caesar. It's basically clam juice, a tomato water that I made earlier, and lots of spices. I love horseradish. Spice it all up, some hot sauce and Worcestershire. And to finish it off, vodka. I like stirring my drinks and not shaking them. When you shake them, they get cloudy. And for extra punch, that tomato powder. A better way to celebrate tomatoes. Guys, kitchen's closed.
All right.
Let's celebrate.
Cheers. Thanks, Chef.
What a great day, huh?
Yeah, thanks.